Hey guys, hope you are all having a great weekend. In this video, I was going to put together a watch list for you guys in the coming week. For those of you who are members, to utilize this with our watch list in the morning to find plays and get our alerts. And then for those of you who aren't members, just to get a generalized idea of where the market's going and 4 plays that we are looking at for this week. Before I get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in getting our daily alerts, course, mentoring, live streams, and team of over 1,100, if you could check out SimplifiedInvesting.com, we would love to have you guys on board. So getting started, as you guys know, if you've watched previous videos of ours covering this watch list, really what we like to do is follow the market. A majority of all those large cap tech stocks, all of those large caps, typically will follow the market to a T. So why is the market so important to watch? Because the stocks that you're watching are likely going to follow in the nature as well. So if you guys have been following the market recently, you have noticed right here we have been seeing a slight sell-off here, correction here from this 358 high here, about a 9% pullback here down to 319. Basically, how do you know when it's a correction, when it's going to continue an uptrend? Really what you have to watch is price action, candlesticks, strong downtrend, lower lows and things like that. You have to watch the trend, which I just covered. Lower lows or lower highs, whatever it might be, that will be the first sign of a reversal. So we're trying to form a doji reversal candlestick here, holding this 323 and the strongest level here, this 320 support, very well here. That is something that we kept telling the team, hey, watch this 320 level support here, and we did end up holding that on this weekly chart. So now going forward within this coming week, I want to see higher lows to break this lower low downtrend here. Again, you can see this week of 831 lows, 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 lows. Continued lower lows means that the market is still in a downtrend here on the weekly. So we are still in a downtrend here. How do you stop that downtrend? Consolidation, form of a new pattern, making higher highs, indicating an uptrend pattern, and getting some strength to the upside here. This isn't obviously a strong bullish candle here, trying to form a reversal candle off of this 320 support here. So in the coming week, I want to see highs above of this 330 level here, and also making higher lows and not touching this 320 support again here. So if we zoom in shorter time frames here, really the key levels for us to watch are going to be this 320 support here in the coming week in the market, and then this strong resistance here at 332.66. We got to break 330.11 first here. So what do I want to see? I want to see a break above 330.11 here to confirm higher highs on the weekly. And what does that mean? That means we are breaking that downtrend that we have seen on this correction in SPY. It means that we do have potential to reach back towards those highs. So again, watch above 330.11 here with a very strong support here at 320. So again, watch those levels in the coming week. The first play that we are watching, and one that looks really good actually, is going to be Boeing. This one isn't so much technical based. It is a little technicals, but also combining news as well. Again, clear, obvious downtrend here off of this 6.8 high here. And really what's been plaguing Boeing is the 737 MAX issues. So you see a huge day here up 7%. You may be wondering, hey, why is Boeing pushing up that much? That is because the FAA chief will fly the 737 MAX next week. So this is going to be a heavily reliant news stock here. So if the 737 MAX passes the test and does confirm that it is coming back into production, Boeing stock will likely rebound greatly from that, as this has been a main reason for this recent downtrend here is because the 737 MAX was losing orders. So again, pushing up here 7%, even pushing up here after hours. Key levels I'm going to be watching in here, if we zoom in intraday, I want to see this above this 160.41 level, and then even above here at 163, with a strong support here provided at this 155.86 level, and then here at 150.49. Technical wise, looking strong here. Trying to form an inverted hammer here, confirming this bottom here. Now we just wait for this daily candle tomorrow and watch for intraday scalps here. This is on the weekly time frame, inverted candle, confirming this 143.58 support. Now let's watch this above 163 for intraday scalps here tomorrow. We are seeing some strength here after hours. One thing to consider, follow volume. We are getting some volume. Buyers taking control of that 148 bottom that I mentioned, so that is something to consider here. That news on that 737 MAX test for Boeing will have a huge impact here on the stock price. The second play, Roku. This is one that we've been all over here in the past couple weeks, one that we've had great success on. What am I seeing? I was watching this intraday Friday here, and buyers completely took control of this 177.54 price point on a lower volume day. However, buyers did take control of that support. So there's really two plays that you can make. You can intraday scalp here, 177.54 support holding, calls to the upside, breaks below that, to play puts. Now, what do we see for resistance? 185.32 was the key level to break here. Rejecting that here, forming a doji, trying to signal another uptrend coming here on Roku. Let's see if we can get a cup formation here, breaking out of this 196 area, retest for the handle, and then run up and break highs here above 273. What I am liking here is going to be this doji candlestick here. I want to see more volume here that we've seen back here on 921. Clear, obvious sign of who's in control of this. Bulls are in control of this. Weaker volume here on these past three red days. Consolidation here. Let's watch Boeing tomorrow above this 185.30 price point. 4 calls here intraday with potential to push up here towards that 195 area and then pushing towards highs at 200. The third play, that we are watching is going to be PENN. PENN Gaming having a huge day here on Friday. Lots of volume. Again, what do I follow? I follow volume all the time. Again, we get this reversal candlestick here on Thursday. We get this huge gap through of this resistance here at 68.28, which happened to be the area from 915, 916, and bottom support on 921. Gapping through here, I would like to see an ideal entry here at 68.28 intraday here on Monday, and then gap up and retest of the 74.65 level. A confirmation for those of you looking to swing will be a breakout here above the 74.65 price point with a confirmation of the daily candle close here for a confirmation of this breakout. Again, what do I follow? I follow volume. Clear control by the bulls here on Friday, looking very strong. Over 30 million contracts traded on PENN Gaming here. Let's watch a retest here intraday at 68.28 or a gap through of 74.65 for a continued push up here in PENN Gaming. The last one I've been watching is going to be Apple. Really what I'm liking about Apple is going to be this bottom support here. Again, we can see this clear defined bottom here at this 104.95 area. Strong day here. Waiting on some volume coming in here on Apple. Again, you can see we do have some volume relative to back here on November and December. Not the strength I'd like to see here. What I'm watching, this one's mainly going to be a scalp play here above 112.61. Confirming this bottom here again at 104. Trying to break this high, or I should say, this high here from 922, high here from 917, then base support here that we saw on 911. Let's see if we can gap through 112.61 tomorrow here for a run. I will be watching this one for a scalp opportunity here. Again, above 112.61 here with a strong support at 110.16. This will be a play that we will be watching here as a team tomorrow if we can get a gap through of this 112.61 region. So again, that wraps up our 4 plays that we are watching for this week. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. If you could subscribe and like this video, it would greatly help our channel and we would greatly appreciate it. And if you are interested in getting our course, our alerts, our live streams, and team of over 1,000 plus, we would love to have you on board at simplified-investing.com. Hope you guys all have a great evening and look forward to trading with your members tomorrow. Thank you.